In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update WhatsApp app on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And if you're stuck, you need to open up App Store. Then tap right here to go to search, and then just search for WhatsApp. You can just enter WH and then hit it WhatsApp here. That's how we can easily find WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business. And now all we have to do in order to update is just hit right here at this update button. And after that, just wait until it is done. If this button says open, it means that you already have the latest app version on your iPhone. And then you can just go out of the App Store. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button